I'm Nate with Sustainable Seed. We're talking about microgreens today and how beneficial they are to our health. There's a lot of phytochemicals, different vitamins that are in microgreens in higher concentrations than we would see in their mature counterparts of that same plant. A lot of people are growing these plants at home because they're a lot cheaper to grow than buy at the store. They are produced within about 30 days. You can plant a seed and harvest that crop within about 30 days. And you can actually cut the plant and it will regrow, so you don't have to replant a seed in some cases, which is actually really helpful. You save time, save money, and you'll have better health.